Gavin Newsom is taking on Fox News, and he's not holding back. The California governor has filed a massive $787 million defamation lawsuit against Fox News, accusing the network of knowingly spreading false information about a phone call he had with former President Donald Trump. The number, $787 million, is not random. It's the exact same figure Fox paid to Dominion Voting Systems in that high-profile election misinformation settlement last year. But this time, the topic isn't voting machines, it's Newsom himself. According to court documents filed in Delaware, Newsom says Fox defamed him during a June segment on Jesse Watters Primetime. The segment featured bold headlines claiming Gavin lied about Trump's call, alleging that Newsom lied about when he spoke to Trump during the 2020 George Floyd protests. The show pushed the narrative that Newsom falsely claimed he spoke to Trump on June 6 or 7, when they argue the call actually took place days later, on June 10. Here's the twist: Newsom has receipts. His legal team provided White House logs, call records, and even news clippings that confirm the call happened before June 10. In fact, it was widely reported as early as June 6 that Trump had spoken with governors about the National Guard amid nationwide unrest. That includes Newsom. So when Fox suggested he lied about that call, Newsom claims they weren't just wrong, they were recklessly wrong. And under U.S. defamation law, that's a crucial distinction. To win, Newsom doesn't just have to prove the statement was false, he has to prove actual malice. That means showing that Fox either knew it was false or acted with reckless disregard for the truth. And given the materials Newsom submitted, including official government records, it could be a tough defense for Fox. But let's not forget Fox's response. A spokesperson called the lawsuit a politically motivated stunt, accusing Newsom of trying to suppress free speech and silence critical media coverage. Fox has made it clear, they're not backing down. And Jesse Watters? No apology, no correction, no retraction. Newsom, however, has made his offer. He'll drop the lawsuit if Fox simply retracts the claim and Watters delivers an on-air apology. Simple as that. But given the network's combative tone, that outcome feels unlikely, at least for now. Now, let's zoom out. This isn't just about a phone call from 2020. This lawsuit adds fuel to a growing fire around media accountability. More and more public figures are pushing back against misinformation in the media. From Dominion and Smartmatic suing Fox over election lies, to Hunter Biden targeting Fox for invasion of privacy, the legal system is becoming a battleground for truth versus spin. And while some critics call Newsom's move theatrical, others say it's a long overdue stand against what he calls a disinformation machine. Here's something else to keep in mind: this isn't happening in California. It's being filed in Delaware, where Fox Corporation is legally based. That's the same court where the Dominion lawsuit played out, and where some legal experts say Newsom might actually have a shot. But don't expect a fast verdict. These cases take time. There'll be motions, hearings, discovery, and depositions. Fox will likely file for dismissal. Newsom's team will argue for trial. And in between, millions of dollars and a huge question hangs in the balance: can a politician successfully hold a media giant accountable for defamation? If the lawsuit goes forward, it could crack open editorial decisions, internal communications, and the chain of command behind what ends up on air. Just like the Dominion case, where we got a rare peek behind the scenes at how Fox handled election coverage, this could reveal how the network deals with stories about political leaders, and how far they're willing to go for ratings. So what's next? The court will likely review Fox's motion to dismiss within the next few months. If the case survives that phase, buckle up. We could be in for depositions, maybe even testimony from Jesse Watters himself. And you can bet both political and media circles are watching this closely. Whether you see it as a power move or political theater, one thing is clear: this case isn't just about Newsom, it's about setting the tone for how media power is checked in the age of disinformation. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on celebrity legal battles, media controversies, and political shockers. Trust me, you don't want to miss what happens next in this saga. Leave a comment: do you think Newsom has a case? Or is this just political drama turned lawsuit? Until next time, stay tuned, stay sharp.